Hello, welcome to WASSCE Private January-February 2025 question 7. All right, best grade mathematics class. I know you have missed us. We have been off for some time, but we are back again into full lessons. All right, so let's look at this question on 3-set problem. A total of 90 students selected from some schools for science and math quiz were asked to indicate the meal they prefer: banku, rice, and fufu. The results show that 63 like banku, B, 55 like rice, R, and 50 fufu. 3 like banku only, 8 rice only, 5 fufu only, and 22 like all the 3 meals. A, draw a Venn diagram to illustrate the information. Find the number of students who like banku and rice, only 2 of the meals, none of the meals. All right. So, solution. So 1, we are supposed to draw a Venn diagram to illustrate the information. And we are talking about banku, rice, and what? And then fufu. All right. So A, we are going to draw our Venn diagram nicely. All right. Okay, so this is our Venn diagram, and we have total number of students is what? A total of 90 students. So total number of students, let me say, is what? 90. The number of, the total number of students. So let's say U is the total number of students. So we have 90. And then it say that the question continued to say that the 90 students were selected, and then for science and math quiz to indicate the meal they prefer: banku, rice, and fufu. The results show that 63 like what? 63 like banku. So number of banku, 63. 55 like rice. Number of rice, 55. And then 50 fufu. Number of fufu, 50. All right. So these are the number of students who like banku is 63. It means that 1, 2, 3, 4 will give me 63. Rice 55. 1, 2, 3, 4 will give 55. And then fufu 50. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you put together, I should give you 50. Let's continue. We're giving other information. 13 like banku only. So banku, where is banku only? Banku only, 13 will be here. Alright, so when you look at the Venn diagram, this portion is what? Banku and rice only. This is all the 3 food. Alright. This portion is what? Banku and fufu only. This is rice and fufu only. Rice only, and then fufu only. Okay, so 8 like rice only. So 8 will be here. So you can see that this is only for rice. It doesn't involve itself with the other food. And then 5 fufu only. And then what the question said, and 22 like all the 3 food. So all the 3 will meet here. 22. So 22. 22 like all the 3. All right. So now we are supposed to find the number of who like rice, banku, and rice. Only 2 of the meals, and then none of the meals. So it means that to be able to do, we have to find those who like banku and rice only. Let's say A, banku and fufu only, B, and let's say rice and fufu. Let's put C here. Okay. And the question, if you look at the question that were asked here, it said banku and rice, only 2 of the meals, none of the meals. So there are students also who do not like any of the 3 meals. So let's say S for those who don't like any of the 3. So they are part of the number of students, but they can be found outside the 3 meals. That is banku, rice, and fufu. So X is here. All right. So now let's see how we are going to find banku and rice. Banku and rice is here. Banku and rice. So those who like banku and rice will be at this particular region. A plus the 22, that is banku and rice. A is banku and rice only. The B is banku and fufu only, and the C is rice and fufu only. But if I say banku and rice, that is the A plus the 22, and the B plus the 22 is what? Banku and fufu, and the C plus 22 is rice and fufu. Okay, so note the difference between them. So what we need to is to find the A, okay, and then even the next one, only two of the meals only. So A, B plus the C will give me only two of the meals. So those who like banku and rice only plus banku and fufu only plus rice and fufu only, that is A and the B and the C, and then none of the meal, that is X here. So it we have to find A, B and C, and then we look at how we are going to do it. Is that okay? So follow carefully. All right, so when I take the whole of this region here, okay, I can say A plus 22 plus B plus 13 is equal to what? 63. All right, so I can say that that's A, okay, plus B plus the 22 plus 13 is equal to what? 63. So 1, 2, 3, 4. When you add it, will give you those who like back, which is what? Which is 63. Is that okay? All right, so let's continue. So A plus B, 22 plus 13 will give us 35 equal to 63. Then we have A plus B to be equal to what? 63 minus 35. And A plus B will give you 63 minus 35. That will be 28. Equation 1. Okay, so we have equation 1. You put it down. Then when you look at the region rice, we can also have for A plus C plus 22 plus 8 equal to what? 55. Equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 also give me 55. So A plus C, 22 plus 8 will give me what? 30. Plus 30 equal to 55. And A plus C will give me what? 55 minus 30. And my A plus C will give me what? What is 55 minus 30? That will be 25. Equation 2. Now let's continue on this side. And then let me come to the region of fufu. So that one I can get B plus C plus 22 plus 5 equal to 50. So B plus C plus 20 plus the 5 will give me 50. So I have B plus C, 22 plus 5 will give me what? 27 equal to 50. And my B plus C will be equal to 50 minus 27. That will give me 20. So 50 minus, so B plus C will be equal to 50 minus 27. And B plus C will be equal to 23. Equation 3. Alright, so you can see that I'm having 3 equations. Okay, so we are going to solve this. So what can we do to solve this? It means that we have to make some of them the subjects and substitute into the others. Alright. Okay, so let me clear here. Okay, so here we can make A the subject here, and then we come and substitute here. Alright. So we have to make some of the variable the subject and substitute into the other one so that we can get equation involving 2 variables. So I can say that from equation, let's say 1. Equation 1, my A will be equal to what? 28 minus B. I can call this one equation 4. So from equation 1, A can be equal to what? 28 minus B, and you can put that one as what? Equation 4. Then you substitute the A into equation what? Into equation 2. So you can say that substitute A into equation 2. So what is equation 2? A plus C equal to 25. So what is my A? A is what? 28 minus B plus C equal to 25. So that I can get equation involving B and then C. And there is B and C in equation 3. And so that I can solve this equation with equation 3. So that I'll get what? Minus B plus C equal to 25 minus 28. And minus B plus C will give me what? 25 minus 20 will give me negative 3. And I'll get my equation what? Equation 5. So I have minus B plus C to be equal to minus 3. And I'm going to get equation 5. So that here, I'm getting equation involving variable B and then C. And there's an equation here involving variable B and C in equation 3. And then equation 5. So what do? I can eliminate C. Or even I can eliminate B. So what do I do? To eliminate C, C is positive here, C is positive here. So I will subtract. Okay. So I can say that, let's say equation 3 minus equation 5. Equation 3 minus equation 5. Okay, so I'll subtract the like term. So B here minus B plus, then I have what? C here minus C equal to 23 minus 3. I believe you have seen that. Alright, so if you like, so here the like terms, I have B equation 3. You are saying equation 3 minus equation 5. So B here minus B, because here is minus B, and then C minus C, and then 23 minus 3. So B minus will be plus. So B plus B will give me 2B. C minus C will go equal 23 minus will give me what? Will give me 26. Alright, so 26. So that we get the value for B. So what will be my B? B will be what? 26 divided by 2. And that will give me 13. Alright, 13. So my B is 13. So what is left is to find A and then also find what? Find C. Okay, so how do I find A? And so A, consider from equation 4. It implies that my A will be equal to a 28 minus 13. So equation 4 is 28 minus B, and I've gotten B as 13. So 28 minus 13 will give me 15. So my A is 15. My A is 15. So what is now left is to find what? Is to find the value of C. So how am I going to find the value of C? You can find C from equation 3. You can also find C also even from equation 2. You can also find C even from equation 5. Anywhere you want to find C, they will all give you the same answer. So let me find C from equation 3. So from equation 3, what can I say? What is my B? 13 plus C equal to 23. And my C is going to give me 23 minus 13. And my C will give me 10. So my C is 10. My C is 10. Is that okay? So C is giving me 10. Alright, so here it is telling me that, what did I get for A? A is what? I had A as 15. My B is what? My B is 13. And my C is 10. So 15, 13, and then 10. That is what I'm having now. So I believe now I can answer the questions here. Is that okay? Alright. So now let's solve the question. Find the number of students who like banku and rice. Banku and rice is A here plus the 22. Alright, so the A is 15, so 15 plus 22. So let me clear here. Alright, so PI, Banku and Rice. So number of students who like Banku and Rice be equal to what? A. What is the A? 15 plus 22. And what will be 15 plus 22? Now to be 37. So 37 students like Banku and then rice. Only 2 of the males. Only 2. So this is only Banku and rice. Only Banku and fufu. And then only rice and Banku. So A plus B plus C. So only 2 of the males will be equal to 15 plus 13 plus 10. 15 plus 13. So 15 plus 13 will give us 28 plus 10 will give us 38. So 38 students like only 2 of the males. And the last one, none of the 3 males. So none of the 3 males is the X. So what we are going to do is add 13 plus A plus A plus B plus 22 plus C plus 5 plus the X equal to the total number of students, which is what? 90. So none of the 3 males implies what? 13 plus A, what is the A? 15 plus 8 plus B, what is the B? 13 plus 22 plus the C, which is 10 plus 5 plus X will give us 90. Alright, so let's add everything. So we have 13 plus 15 plus 8 plus 13 plus 22 plus 10 plus 5. Okay, so that will give us 86 plus X equal to 90. So our X will be equal to 90 minus 86, and our X will give us 4. Therefore, 4 students like none of the males. So 4 students like none of the males. So this is our answer or our solution to this question. I believe this is not difficult and it is so simple to solve.